In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix battery icon missing on laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your battery icon's missing from the Windows 11 taskbar, it's usually because the system tray has overflowed or the hardware driver has temporarily hung during a power state transition. So in the latest Windows 11 builds, the battery icon is sometimes bundled into the quick settings pill, so click the Wi-Fi/volume icon or press Win+A, and if you don't see the battery percentage here, click the pencil icon. Then click add and select battery if it's listed. And then what you could also go ahead and do is click the up arrow icon on your taskbar to see if the battery icon was accidentally dragged into the hidden overflow menu as well, which you can press right here. And then you might see it over here as well. And if the icon's completely gone from settings, the Windows battery driver likely needs a quick restart. So what you can do is right click the start button and then go ahead to device manager. Then go ahead and find the battery section. I don't have it because I'm on PC right now, but you should see two items, Microsoft AC adapter and Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. Right click both and then just go ahead and click disable device and then wait 5 seconds and then right click both again and then enable the devices. The icon should instantly reappear in your taskbar. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.